Hi, Austin.
Hi.
Hi, Anisa.
Warning. Powering up has commenced. Warning.
So what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to make slime.
We're going to make slime to do what? We're having the slime switch challenge.
Then we're going to have this slime back in the
We're gonna make our slime in the slime lab. We're gonna go make it, don't worry. Then after we're done making it, we're gonna have a switch challenge, okay? With you and Anisa, okay?
And see, he has the bug. And what kind of color does this slime have?
It doesn't matter what the color the slime is, it's who has the bug inside of their slime gets the points, okay? And we'll do 3 rounds, and whoever gets the most points is the winner, okay? Now the special thing about the switch challenge is when you get the slime, you can choose. You can keep your cup of slime or you can switch it. So are you ready to go to the slime lab?
Yeah!
Are we gonna make slime?
Yeah!
Let's go, guys.
Evan.
You gotta come down, hon. You gonna come?
Yeah.
Okay. Paul, hold on 1 second, Paul. Hello. Yeah, he's right here. It's for you.
It takes time to make slime. Play so hard, now it's break time. Where do we start? Today's slime. Now move them boots to the baseline. They combine to sublime. 1 time a week, I drop dimes. Tell me what you think. This is hard. I'm serving with drinks. Let's make slime.
Welcome to the lab.
All right, cool. Is that your slime lab?
Yeah.
The DIY slime lab? Okay, buddy, you want to show everybody the case that came in?
Yeah.
Can you catch?
No.
Okay, stand to the side, I'll throw it to you.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Awesome catch, buddy. Okay, show everybody what it looks like. That's cool, man. Slime DIY. Okay, buddy, throw it back. Okay, what color are you gonna make first?
Green. Yeah.
Okay, so you know how to do it, right? Okay, Austin, so the green one's done. What's next?
Right.
Okay, buddy, go ahead. Okay, Austin, so the red one is all done. It came out great. What's the last one? Okay, buddy, put it in there. Okay, Austin, where are the bugs that we're going to use for the switch challenge? So we're going to put both of them in one, and whoever gets the ones with the bugs gets points, okay? We're gonna play 3 rounds.
But we need to close our eyes.
No, we're gonna cover them and you're gonna pick, okay? You're not even gonna see the bugs inside. You have to put your hands and find them, okay? Yeah, we'll see who gets it, alright?
Yeah.
Are we ready to do the switch challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Austin, do you want to keep your orange slime or do you want to switch? Switch!
Switch.
Okay, check who has the bug. Check, Anisa. Check inside yours. Show me the bug. Austin has the bug, okay. Okay, are you guys ready for round 2? Okay.
I see orange again.
Okay, Austin. Right now you have green, Anisa has orange, okay? There is a bug in one of them. What do you want to do? Do you want to switch? You're gonna keep the green one? Okay, go ahead.
No.
Anisa, check inside yours. Oh, you got it right again. Oh, Austin, 2 points. Okay. Okay, now it's Anisa's turn. Anisa, do you want your green slime?
No.
Do you want to switch? Say switch or no. Which one you want? You want Austin's? Do you want Austin's? No? It's up to you, honey. You want to switch? Tell Daddy, you want to switch?
Oh, it looks like
Yeah, it's green slime. Do you want to switch, honey?
No.
You want to keep your slime?
Yeah.
Okay, Austin, check to see if you have another bug in there or if Anisa has the bug. Oh, Austin has the bug again. 3 points. Okay, guys, we're all done. Austin, you got 3 points. You did a good job, buddy. You're a little bit lucky, but you did a good job. And you did a good job. You made some awesome slime. But did you guys have fun making the video?
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
Say bye-bye, honey. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.